आई होप मेरे 5 minutes रिविजन मॉड्यूल्स आपको बहुत पसंद आ रहे होंगे एंड दे आर रियली हेल्पिंग यू ऑल फॉर रिविजन. In this 5 minute module, we'll be learning about CSV files. CSV files are the easiest file handling topic in class 12th. और अगर ये आता है तो 4 से 5 मार्क्स पक्का. Have a look on the questions which are on the screen. जो मैंने compile किया है last year के question papers से. This 2 questions are based on CSV files. पहला क्वेश्चन अगर आप देखोगे उसमें आपको एक फंक्शन लिखना है जो read data फंक्शन का नेम है और इसमें आपको डिस्प्ले करने हैं all the details of cancer patients. Second part is to count the number of records present in that file and return the number of records from that file. In second part again, in second set, you can have a look that another question again says same thing. First is you have to find and display those records whose fees is above 35,000, whereas you have to add a record to the CSV file. So what you are expecting is you can get a question to write a data to a CSV file or read data from the CSV file. This is again a question from last year's exam papers based on CSV files that says to add a new record and display a particular record. What is a CSV file? What does CSV stands for? CSV stands for comma separated values. It stores the data in the tabular form just like Excel. Each row is equal to one record. Each value is separated by a comma. Generally used for storing large structured data. In Python, CSV files are handled using the CSV module. Why CSV files are required? So for example, these files stores large amount of data in very smaller sizes. अगर आपको फाइल को एक सॉफ्टवेयर से दूसरे में एक्सपोर्ट करना है, this is easier for you all. अगर आपको इसको ट्रांसफर करना है on the network from one device to another device, again because of smaller size, these files can be easily transferred on the internet, on the network. एक CSV फाइल जो आपने Python में बनाया होगा, you can open that file in Excel, you can export that file in MySQL also. Let's learn how we can write data to a CSV file. For writing data to a CSV file, first of all, we need a writer function which will belongs to CSV module. We have to open the file in either write mode or append mode, W or A, if you want to write to the CSV file. First, create a writer object using the statement given here. Then for writing data to the CSV file, we can use either of these functions, either write row or write rows. अगर आपको single row write करना है, then use write row function. अगर आपको एक ही स्टेटमेंट के साथ मल्टीपल रोज राइट करनी है, then use write rows function for that. Okay, let's have a look on a small program that is used to write one record to the CSV file. तो CSV फाइल पे काम कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें CSV मॉड्यूल इंपोर्ट करना होगा. After that, use open function to open a file. Here I am using file name student.csv. W mode लिया है because I am writing to the CSV file. New line is equal to single quotes. This prevents from adding blank line between the records. अगर आप new line वाला feature exclude करते हो, new line एक blank line add हो जाएगी after each record. Then to initiate the writer, use the statement to initiate the writer object. CSV is the module, writer is the function, F is the file object that I have linked with the file. W is the object that I am creating to initiate the writer. This write row statement with writer object to write one record. First statement is just writing the headers of the data, and with the second statement I am writing one record which is actual data. Then close the file. Next slide is about reading the data from the CSV file. अगर आपको CSV file से data read करना है, then function reader is used to read the data from the CSV file. File को R mode में open करना होगा, and each row is read as a list from the CSV file. Have a look on this function that is used, that reads the data and displays row wise on the screen. First, import CSV module, open CSV file in R mode, use reader function to read the data from the CSV file. It reads the data in the form of list and store to the variable R. Traverse that list and print entire data on the screen. एग्जाम के क्वेश्चंस जो हमने पहले की स्लाइड्स पे देखे थे, अकॉर्डिंग टू दोज क्वेश्चंस, in read function, when you read the data, you have to after reading the data using CS reader function, you have to display the data on the specific condition. So after starting the loop, say for I in A, put a condition depending upon the question and display the data according to that condition. Let's sum up the thing. To work with the CSV files in Python, we use CSV module. Two main objects: writer to initiate the writer object, reader to read the data from the file. To write single row, use read function, and to write the